Today topic is price effect and price consumption curve, PCC curve analysis. Price effect. The price effect shows the reaction of the consumer, how the consumer reacts when there is a changes in the price of the commodity. That can be explained by PCC curve. It measures the full effect of changes in the price of commodity on the quantity purchased with given money income. The income of the consumer is always unchanged when there is no change in the income of the consumer, but the price of the commodity changes. It influences the quantity purchased by him, and prices goes up, the quantity purchased by the consumer will be decreases. So there is an inverse relationship between price and the quantity demanded. The price effect shows the reaction of the consumer and measures the full effect of the changes in the price of the commodity on the quantity purchased with a given money income. With a given money income, how the consumer reacts while purchasing the commodities, that can be explained by the price effect. The price PCC is the price consumption curve. It is the curve which shows the optional combination of two commodities, commodity X and commodity Y. These are optional combinations. Consumer will buy different prices of one commodity while holding the income and price of other constant. When there is no change in the price of other commodities and the income levels of the consumer, how the combinations will change with the price effect. So the PCC curve shows the slope of the curve. PCC gives us the changes in the equilibrium of the consumer. In this diagram, on y-axis axis we measure commodity X, on y-axis commodity Y. AB1 is the budget line, AB2 another budget line, AB3 another budget line. There are three levels of changes of equilibrium, consumer equilibrium, E, F, G. When we add E, F, G points, then we get price consumption curve. What is the price consumption curve? The PCC is the curve made by joining the equilibrium positions, E, F, G, equilibrium positions of the consumer at different price levels. There are different price levels, 1, 2, 3, P1, P2, P3, like that. When price goes up, how the equilibrium of the consumer changes can be explained by PCC. So consumer equilibrium can be changed when there is a change in the prices, assuming that other things being the same. Upward sloping curve of the PCC is the price of this commodity decrease or reduces. Increase in price purchase of a commodity as the price of the commodity decreases. So price increases, demand for commodity decreases. So there is an inverse relationship that can be explained by price consumption curve. So upward slope of the consumer curve. So price consumption curve is nothing but changes in the consumer equilibrium of where the point where IC curve insect the budget line. There is an E first equilibrium level, F second equilibrium level, G third equilibrium level. When we add all these equilibrium positions at different price levels, different combinations of X and Y, we will get the PCC, price consumption curve. So price effect and price consumption curve. Price effect shows the how the consumer reaction of the consumer when there is a change in the price effect the consumer purchasing quantity. Higher the price, less will be purchased by the consumer because his money income is fixed. There is no change in the prices of other commodities and also income levels of the consumer. So without changes in the income level of the money income of the consumer, when there is a change in the prices of commodity X and Y, when prices goes up, automatically the quantity demanded by the consumer will be lesser. So different equilibrium positions of consumer can be explained by PCC, price consumption curve.